What's going on? I'm the JakeOfALL, and I'm going to claim it's a 2-minute tool review, but PACKOUT Princess is behind the camera, so maybe she'll keep me on track, maybe she won't. So, you guys have seen these really expensive bit holders? Well, here's an Amazon one that I've been trying out, and if you haven't seen what they do, you pull it out, you let go, bit holds, right? Pull it out again, let go, pull the bit out. Now, this one came with what you see here, so all of these colors, and this carabiner. Now, interestingly enough, that carabiner is more solid than these are. Now, so far, I've tried it on the bag, I've tried it on a bunch of different bits. Everything seemed to work fine, would you agree? Except for one, and that was this one. And I don't know if it's just because it's like putting a razor blade in your hand and trying, but getting it out the second time, I noticed it was easier if I had it on something to where I could pull, as you can see, like that. But you could, my bad, you could obviously hook this to a belt loop, okay, and then we'll put this one in, which you can see I can pull easy. And then there you have all of your bits hanging that you would readily use. Now, I sort of saw these, and this was an idea that I had. How am I doing on time?
Yeah, 40 seconds.
40 seconds. So I have things like this, keychains, right? But I always thought what would be cool is to take something like these bits and screw these into like a board or somewhere in your shop, and then put these on your keys, right? So this goes on this key ring, and then your key, right? Quick releases, and just, you know, for a guy in his shop, boom, hang your keys. I thought that would look pretty cool. So there's that. But they really...
5 seconds.
Really, 5 seconds. Okay. Realistically, though, as you can see, you can clip these onto anything now. And there you go. So you can have a bit on it, or like you said, I could do it the way, or like I said, I could screw this onto a wall and then use this to hang keys. So generally, it works pretty smooth like that. Pull to engage, pull to disengage. So there you go. I'll put a link in the description. It's on Amazon. And thanks for watching. This has been a 2 and a 30 some second minute tool review.